Have you ever wondered what the future of delivery looks like? Picture this: drones soaring through cityscapes, robots zipping down sidewalks, and e-scooters buzzing past your door. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Think again. This is the future knocking on our doorstep. Today in our video, we are diving into how these innovations are transforming the delivery landscape. Let's explore the future of last mile delivery together. Drone delivery. So, your next pizza, hot and fresh, delivered by a buzzing drone, not just a gimmick. Drone delivery is making waves in remote areas and congested cities, reducing delivery time and carbon footprints. Companies like Zipline are already delivering essential medical supplies in Africa, and Amazon Prime Air is piloting drone deliveries in select US cities. These drones are equipped with advanced navigation systems, ensuring quick and efficient deliveries. Imagine receiving your package within minutes, no matter where you are. That's the power of drone delivery. In fact, the longest drone delivery flight on record covered 97 miles. Moving on towards our next aspect, autonomous robots. Meet your sidewalk delivery buddy, autonomous robots. These eco-friendly marvels like Starship Technologies' six-wheel bots are navigating pavements, delivering groceries and packages, and handling tight spaces with ease. Autonomous robots are perfect for congested urban areas, offering convenience and reducing emissions. They're the future of urban delivery. Lower operational costs and faster deliveries translate to savings for businesses and consumers. And the best part, they're contributing to greener cities. The impact of innovation: sustainability, customer satisfaction, and cost reduction. These are the three pillars of last mile delivery revolution. But it's not without its challenges. Regulations, safety concerns, and public acceptance remain hurdles. Integrating these technologies into existing infrastructure and ensuring responsible operations are crucial steps. While the future of last mile delivery with drones and robots is exciting, intriguing, these advanced technologies into your business might seem daunting. That's where Token comes in. Comprehensive platform. Token streamlines all your delivery operations, helping you manage and scale efficiently. Route optimization. Find the most efficient path with Token's powerful route optimization feature, ensuring timely deliveries. Automated dispatch. Eliminate manual steps by automatically assigning orders to the nearest and available delivery agents, saving valuable time. Smart analytics. Access up to 90 days of tracking summaries and comprehensive graphical reports. Dispatch partners can gain insights into customer experiences through ratings and feedback. Enhanced productivity. Valuable insights from customers' feedback help you improve communication and service quality. Cost-effective and scalable. Even if cutting-edge technologies aren't immediately accessible to everyone, Token ensures local deliveries are optimized and cost-efficient. Exceptional customer experience. Deliver exceptional customer experiences at scale with Token's innovative solutions. Drones and robots are not just sci-fi dreams, they're the future knocking on our doorsteps. Are you ready to answer? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are excited about these emerging technologies, what concerns do you have? Let's discuss the future of last mile delivery together. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates from us. Thanks for watching.